Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. Fixing the issue: the name shape web browser and not working. Website is open but any maintenance has been error problem. First of all, the selected application has been open but any error problem. Namecheap.com is unstable maintenance and will be the backup so coming. We are countrywide and upgraded maintenance your candy name shape.com expansion. Please add button. Thank for this. Need more help? Connected and easily problem the maintenance button easily problem the update. And first of all, the select actually the support team connected email open but any problem the screenshot has been selected and the problem the reason and type the officially the share officially team then share error problem officially team the problem the update now. And second step, the status updated the checking now officially the status server checking now the server has been now and server red line the issues problem.